Is your team equipped to handle your pump system's issues effectively? How important is it for you to have a customized training program that meets your unique needs? Welcome to the Pump Systems Academy, powered by Dynapro Pumps. Our customized training program is designed to meet your unique needs for your pumping systems. Our team works side by side with you to develop a comprehensive strategy for your pump system's challenges to tailor our training program to your specific requirements. Whether you prefer on-site, online, or classroom training, we are here to support you throughout the entire process. Our training covers all aspects of equipment, operation, and maintenance, providing you with the knowledge and skills you need to keep your pumping system running smoothly and efficiently. Are you ready to discuss your challenges and explore how we can help you? Book your free consultation call today.